Hey friend, come on in for part 2 of transforming my kitchen into a cafe, where you'll see the final review of my kitchen upgrade. Now, if this is your first time joining me, welcome to my apartment. And if you've been here before, I just want to say thank you so much for returning. This is now my 4th video, and I'm really excited to just keep sharing more with you. Now, to complete this part, we'll be upgrading my coffee bar to a Breville espresso machine, adding some gifted products from Simple Human, hanging cafe art above my bar table, and swapping out the art over my sink with a new piece. So let's get started with the espresso machine. Alright, so now that everything is set up, this cafe style kitchen is really looking great. I'm excited to have an espresso machine. As you remember, I just had a small coffee maker. I really can't wait to use this. I've already done all of the pre-use steps, so it's ready for its first cup. And the gifted products from Simple Human look sleek and actually make this more of a kitchen, as I didn't have a paper towel holder, soap dispenser, or even a place to put a sponge. The clean station will also keep my phone sanitized while in this mixed-use space. All of these additions have upgraded my cafe style, and I've just made this a more functional kitchen in general. But now it's time to put the finishing touches on my take on cafecore with some artwork. I found 2 great posters on Etsy that are really going to put an exclamation point on this transformation. As you've seen already, there's blue painter's tape on the wall where I've tested the 30 by 30 artwork. So let's get these posters framed and up on the wall. Well, my kitchen transformation is finally complete. It took over a month from planning to sourcing to placing the last art on the wall due to a few issues and wrong orders on my part. In my kitchen, I was able to layer the eclectic Japandi style of my apartment onto cafecore and really make my kitchen feel like a casual cafe style space for eating and working. Now I am going to start practicing making espresso, so if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. In my next update, I'll be starting on my bathroom and designing it into a more serene space. If that video is out already, you'll be able to click here and watch it now. If not, you'll be able to watch my Cozy Day in the Life series where you'll see smaller home updates. I hope this helps with some ideas for your space, and I'll see you in the next update.